Hello, Facebook. How's it going? Girl Jasmine coming with a live video on this amazing Thursday. Yes, Thursday. Happy Thursday to you guys. Let Facebook do its thing. I got my laptop here because I pretty much, wrote some things down that I actually want to say, real quick so I can, go off of that. So I won't be on here too long. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Just to give you a rundown about this, what some people know or may not know in general. Oh, okay. So I will be looking at my laptop basically. So hopefully you guys, of course, can hear me as I'm looking at my laptop. If you're catching the live, say hashtag live. You're catching the replay, say hashtag replay. Of course, show some love. I'll show some love back. Just trying to share this right quick. But I'm gonna go ahead. Like always, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. But like I said, if you're catching the live, say hashtag live replay. I wanted to, just start something a little bit different. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do more live videos in general. So like I said, I got my laptop, so I will be looking at my laptop while, of course, talking to you guys. Well, hopefully you can hear me. But I'm gonna go ahead and talk about what is online marketing for some of you that may or may not know what online marketing basically is. So basically, wrote it down. What is online marketing? So, online marketing is the practice of leveraging your opportunity to spread a message about a company's brand, products, or services to its potential customers, like to your potential customers. So, the methods and techniques used for online marketing include email, social media, display advertisement, paid ads, and Google ads, plus more as well too when it comes to online marketing, as most of you pretty much know. The objective of marketing is to reach potential customers through social media or other potential forms as well, where they are basically, pretty much well, people are pretty much spending their time, reading, searching, shopping, and socializing online. Hello to everyone who's watching. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. So I was basically talking about what is online marketing for some that may or may not know what it pretty much is. It's basically, leveraging your opportunity to spread a message through social media by, giving the opportunity to other people by spreading about your products, your brands, your services, what you have to offer to your potential customers. You can pretty much do it through, platforms such as, of course, social media, display advertisement, paid ads, Google ads, plus more to reach, potential customers, of course. So that's basically what online marketing is. Just a simple breakdown of it, right? So the benefits of online marketing, the benefits. See, got this on my laptop. Boop, boop, boop. Written it down, what typed it down basically. So the benefits of online marketing, a key benefit of being an online is giving your business the ability to impact potential customers. The benefits of online marketing. A key benefit is basically as an online marketer is giving your business the ability to impact potential customers, to impact people, what you have to actually offer. And hopefully, they take a grasp at it, what I'm trying to say. When you present your business, it's always best to have a website or landing page to where your visitors go and look through your funnel that could convert to paying customers. Furthermore, those customers could be valuable customers. Let me say that again. Let me just read that all the way through. Benefits of online marketing. A key benefit of being an marketer is giving your business the ability to impact potential customers. Your business is always best to have a website or landing page to where your visitors go and look through your funnel that could convert into paying customers. Furthermore, those customers could be valuable customers. Valuable customers basically mean they will keep coming back to you because of what you had to offer in the beginning, or because also your website actually look, also how you follow up with your customer, so they can be repeated valuable customers to you and join you in furthermore potential, opportunities basically that you will have to actually offer to them. So anytime, as a newbie or a veteran in this online marketing world, it's a must and it's a plus to have a website to where people can put their information in, go through that funnel. That way, okay, they may not join you right then and there. So boom, their information came to you to a system that you pretty much use. Depends on what system that you actually use to have their email, their name. And that way you can follow up with them, through probably Facebook or text or calling them, or even follow up with them through email marketing as well too. So that's a benefit. Those are definitely some benefits of being an online marketer, like what I stated there. Okay, so basically, hello to everyone who's watching. Appreciate you guys for definitely tuning in. Of course, just giving a brief rundown about what is online marketing. Of course, you can catch the replay. So, had my little notes on my laptop. So, like online marketing tools, there are a number of tools that can be used to build and maintain an online marketing, opportunity program or whatever that you're basically joining. So, certain opportunities, certain marketing tools that people pretty much use marketing. A lot of people are using email marketing to pretty much, reach a certain audience, and to also, see how many people have opened up the emails. Sometimes emails may bounce, sometimes they may fail, but you can definitely see, what's what with email marketing. That's a great way to send out a email broadcast as well too, especially if you got a certain system that you're using, like if you got maybe Builderall or something, or Conversion Pros. I basically use the Conversion Pros, and sometimes I'll send out a email broadcast to, my email list that basically went through a funnel, or just, people in general, just like that. So then, of course, you got other marketing tools such as social media marketing as well too. You got display advertising, excuse me. You also have events and webinars. Events are basically like, hosting an event on social media, as in Facebook, to where you invite people and you go live, where you do a video or something like that. Or you can even do events, offline as well too, like maybe some type of event to where you can host something, at a certain location. Also, you can do webinars as well too. You can do webinars, as in, hosting a webinar, hosting a Zoom meeting, or whatever it may be, to where you bring the webinar is, recorded. That way you can send your webinar out to individuals as well too. So video marketing is definitely, what a lot of people are starting to get more into. Video marketing is basically as in, me going live, you going live, you actually doing a video just in general, you're doing a video to actually place on YouTube. So video marketing is definitely huge. That way you can get in tune with your audience, you can connect with your audience, you can kind of maybe reach out and touch your audience. And but also another thing is to where people can actually see your face and actually know what you're talking about. And also when you talk about certain things, you also need to back up exactly what you're talking about. So that way, they can feel where you're actually coming from. And then on top, to let people know that you're an actual real person as well too when it comes to video marketing. That is like a plus, a plus, a plus. Of course, appreciate everyone for tuning in. And of course, you got other tools as in LinkedIn ads. I'm on LinkedIn, but I haven't really did too much with LinkedIn ads, but people are using the LinkedIn as well. That's more of like a professional type of social media as well too. And there are a lot of people on LinkedIn. So that's another tool you can definitely use it as well too, to actually expand your opportunity, expand yourself, and put yourself out there, of course. And you also have affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you're joining a company, you present your website out there, a customer goes to your website, basically. They pretty much, let's say they go ahead and they purchase something off of your website. Boom, it goes through to where you actually end up getting a commission for it. So then, of course, you can refer other people to do the same thing as well with affiliate marketing. So it's like you got a website with the business, like with the company, basically what I'm trying to say. And then a customer goes to your website because your website is out there somewhere, or you sent it to them, and they're looking through your website and they end up clicking on something and they purchase that. Okay, now they have purchased that, basically. What if like it's, say for instance, it's a shirt or something, or it's just much definitely purchase that, to where now you get a commission. Of course, the company gonna get something as well too, and whatever it may be is being sent back to the person that actually purchased it and everything. So there are a lot of different tools with affiliate marketing. A lot of people, especially newbies, and some that are not being taught the correct way of online marketing. Like I always say, we know the basics of online marketing as well too. Now, when it comes to getting started with online marketing, now, of course, the first step to getting started with online marketing is to evaluate your goals and make sure they are very measurable as well too. Like you want to make sure that if you set a goal for this, it has to be a reasonable type goal. It has to definitely make sense. Now, a lot of people think they can come into the online marketing world and think it's going to be, all breezy and stuff like that, all roses or whatnot. Like, no, it takes time, it takes work, and it's also a process as well too when it comes to this. So basically, let me see this. What I'm stating is, so basically what I'm stating with this is also, like if you come into the online marketing world and you're hoping to sign up 100 new customers with whatever opportunity that you're basically have pretty much joined, right? So if you're wanting to sign up 100 new customers, your goal is to sign up 100 new customers, then a lot of work to sign up those 100 customers. Let's say you want to do that within 1 month. Then you got to put in a lot of work day in and day out to get those 100 new customers, right? So that's something that you want to do. Is this, that's a goal that you want to hit, then you got to be working towards that goal as well too. Let's say for instance, you got a system to where you want to generate about maybe 500 some leads within that system that you have. Like I'm using a Conversion Pro, which is a system to where I can build different funnels and things. And I want to get 500 leads into that certain particular funnel, right? So I need to be hitting that goal of 500 leads, right? Absolutely. And I want to build an email list of maybe over 1,000 people. That means I got to be working day in and day out to put my website out there to also build that email list up of 1,000 people. So with online marketing, it takes time. If you got a goal that you want to hit, then you got to work towards that goal. If, let's say, for instance, okay, when you join, you want to get in 5 people within 2 weeks. Then you got to hit that goal of trying to get in 5 people within 2 weeks. If you have a system that you're using and you want to build your leads up, you got to be building your leads up. If you're trying to build your email list up, you also got to work and build your email list up as well too. So it's all about, working, and definitely putting yourself out there as well too. And all this information that I'm stating to you, I did research on, and I'm bringing the information back to you. So it's all about me doing the research as well too, but also talking about it, but also backing up, what I'm definitely stating to you guys, because I got this, I know this, and you. So yeah, definitely simple, definitely simple. Online marketing is a great way to learn something different. So I definitely appreciate you guys for tuning in here to this live video, of course. And I will talk to you guys soon. Have a blessed and awesome day. Definitely catch the replay if you're hopping on to know what online marketing is and where you can get a better understanding of all what's been going on and how we actually promote and stuff like that, which is so easy and simple to do because you're already on your phone anyway. So there you go. If you have any questions about anything, I will talk to you guys later. Have a blessed and awesome day. Toodles.